In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate your Wuji gloves using Wuji Studio. Because every hand is different, calibration helps the system understand the unique shape and size of your hand. Wuji Glove uses electromagnetic field tracking to measure the position and orientation of each fingertip. The indicator LED on the board shows the current glove status. Make sure every EMF sensor is pressed firmly against each fingernail. Before calibration, avoid metal surfaces and strong magnetic interference whenever possible. Important: for all fingertip poses, make sure the fingertips touch directly. During calibration, fully spread and relax your fingers before every calibration pose. Open Wuji Studio and the calibration page. Follow the instructions to begin. Take your time and follow along. Touch your thumb to the tip of your index finger. Match the pose in Wuji Studio. Touch your thumb to the tip of your middle finger. Touch your thumb to the tip of your ring finger. Touch your thumb to the tip of your pinky finger. For the tabletop pose, bend at the base joints of your fingers while keeping the remaining finger joints straight. For the final pose, place your hand flat on a non-metal surface, keep fingers together. Calibration is now complete. Thank you for watching.